Welcome, bienvenue in the kitchen with Sherry Angel. Today, clean the fridge with me. This is my fridge, so tomorrow I'm gonna go do grocery. I wanna clean up and organize my fridge before I do grocery. So look how it's looking. It's dirty, but it's not really dirty, but it is dirty for me. So, and it's empty. I'm gonna check those bottles for expiry date and everything, leftover, everything. So let's go. I'm gonna remove everything. I just want to clean with everything in there, but I felt like when I was cleaning, I was feeling like the other stuff was sticking inside, so I'm gonna remove everything I can. But be careful, maybe you can break anything down. Look how it's dirty. Yes, I'm gonna clean, remove everything I can and clean. I don't like to remove it because it's so fragile, you know. Usually I have like a bassinet. I put water, vinegar and soap, but today I'm just using this product. I like it and the smell is good too. After cleaning, I'm gonna dry with a clean paper towel. If it's your first time watching this video, please subscribe and share for more video. So at the side, I'm done. I'm gonna remove here everything I have here, and then I'm gonna check expiry date and everything. So yeah. So when I put the product past the thing, I have the blue thing, and then after that I rinse it up and then I pass it again in clean water and everything. So when you do that, make sure you have a clean water on the side to clean your towel or something you're using. So I'm gonna remove other stuff like I told you guys, but be careful. For me, it's like glass. Everything is on glass, so it's very fragile. But yes, I did it. I cleaned it. Now I'm trying to put everything back, what I can put back. Like after checking the expiry date, I'm gonna clean this thing, wipe with clean paper towel, and then put back what I can put back. Otherwise, the other one gonna go in the trash. That's my baby's smoothie yogurt. They really love it before they go to bed. So yeah. Let's put back everything we can. After checking the expiry date and cleaning those bottles, let's put back everything we can. I need to refill my butter. I'm gonna refill a little bit of eggs I have. Then tomorrow when I'm gonna go to grocery, I know what is missing in my fridge, what I need to buy, what I don't have to buy. I'm gonna put some water because it's summer here. So let's go see the result. The result is great. Look how my fridge is looking. Very clean. Down I have fruits, and another compartment I have like green stuff. So yes. And my door, I fix everything. Everything is clean and look nice. So if it's your first time by here, we are asking you to subscribe, like, and share. I have more video in my website. If you want to check it out, go in my website and check it out. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna see you next time. Bye bye. Take care.